Diversity without diversity without unity is chaos. Okay? Diversity is good when it's surrounded by unity. Diversity is important and it's being promoted. But look at it this way. If unity is emphasized at the expense of diversity, then we have uniformity. Everyone is the same. That's not good. If diversity is emphasized at the expense of unity, then we have anarchy. Everyone does their own thing. That's also not good. We need to celebrate unity without demanding uniformity. Unity and diversity, diversity in unity. Okay? That's the key. So when let's get back to the point of discipleship making. When you're discipling somebody, you're not making them like you. Okay? You're helping them become more like Jesus. But because Jesus is all things, who they are can be totally different than who you are because we're both in Christ. You get that? We don't have to act the same. We don't have to do the same things. We're not saying that everybody should dress the same, have the same hairstyle, sing the same songs. No, that's not what we're saying. We're saying that, well, let's give an example. This is a modern term, modern thing, but let's look at a hockey game, right? You have different players who have different skill sets. If everybody on the ice was a goalie, it just would not make a lot of sense, would it? Or if everybody was a centerman, it would not make sense. You need people with different skill sets doing different things. Now, they're all working towards the same goal, right? So they have the unity, but they also have the diversity.